Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download The Sims 4 on iOS and Android using this emulator. It's super crazy, so let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. This process is going to be the same depending on whether you're on iPhone or an Android. So anyway, guys, go to this site, zoommods.com. They're having a lot of modded apps. Type in Sim, and then just look for Sims 4, and here it is, Sims 4 mod. Alright, so go ahead and press on it, and it's going to start downloading it onto your device. So let's just wait. This is a fully built Sims 4 mobile emulator, complete with mobile controls. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. Alright, so this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. I have played The Sims 4 on PC, and I am no longer interested in getting out my PC every time I want to play it. Alright, so before we get Sims 4, we have to do a verification. This is a one-time process. As you can see, it says please install 3 apps to automatically install the mod. So they show 4 apps here, and the reason people generally do not complete the verification successfully is because they don't actually read the instructions below each app. So Alibaba says run for 30 seconds. Richie says install and earn 5k coins. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and make sure you complete the instructions on the app. Alright, so just press on the app, it'll redirect you to the App Store, and you just gotta download it. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get the Sims 4 mobile for iOS and Android. Complete that verification step, and you guys are done, bro. It's that easy. As you can see, I can play the full game right now. This is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in this. You don't have to subscribe, but I generally come out with pretty cool content, so I think you guys might be interested. But as you can see, guys, this is the full Sims 4 game. It is not a Sims free play or anything like that. So I'm going to see you guys later. So yeah, this is super cool. As you can see, fully working guide. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.